a video about me. What? It's on? Stop.
Wait.
It's on.
It's on.
Okay.
Okay.
Stop copying me.
Stop copying me.
You stop copying me.
Stop copying me.
This is Christine. Stop being shy. Hi.
Itatanggal kaya yan ang dumi ko.
This is
Ako nikapan
Christine's
mo,
wallet.
Jilin. Jilin, ako nikapan mo. Jilin.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go make the audience.
Ako na nikapan niya, payag ako. Habang nagbibideo, dito muna kayo. Da, scissor.
A video about scissors. Oops.
Jilin, tara, nikapan mo na ako.
It's so dark.
Dito mo. Jilin.
Scissors are very dangerous. Okay.
Dito muna tayo, oh. Para kikita ko kung ano eh. Manasan yung mo, ito. Ilang yan lang namin ito.
Para sa'yo, we can between.
Manasan yung face powder mo?
Saan mo? Saan mo nilagay yun?
Whoop.
Eh bakit kinuha mo kanina yun eh? Kanina mo? Ma?
Woo. I'm sorry.
Kanina ni Mama yung face
over there.
powder.
I'm sorry. We used it before we did our video. She did it on me. Okay, hurry, Christine.
Hello, Christine. Chika bum bum. Dito mo lagay yung usog mo, tapos dito mo lagay yung makeup, oh. Tapos yung cutex lagay mo dito. Dilin.
Speak English.
Dilin.
That's not English. We are also gonna do her nails.
No.
Yes, you
No.
said you wanted, right? So yes, ma'am.
Dilin. Kung nasan yung nito pang kanina. Ito, nasan yung pang pulbos nito?
Here, which one? What color do you want?
Blue sa dito, oh.
Okay.
Ay, pink pala sa dito. Pink. Ito, like pink.
There's like gonna be no more of your light pink. Do like this. Oh yeah, but MMK are real stories. It's real story.
Yeah, I know.
Oh.
All the story
Ma!
of MLK.
Mami!
That's a real, right?
Yan, tama na dyan.
Okay.
Tama.
Okay, open your eyes first because. Okay, there. Christine.
Makain na to. Di ko ginagalaw, diba?
Christine. Move your bangs. Wait, smile.
Huwag ba? Diba, ikaw,
Close your eyes.
pag labi mo, nag-aaral ka ba mag-makeup?
Okay, tell me while close it. Close your eyes. Okay. Okay, there. Okay, what color for your bottom?
Where's bottom? Here?
Yeah, here. I need to do that.
Oh.
Just look at the audience. Okay. here or over here?
Sir.
Okay.
Bilisan mo.
Sorry, gosh.
Ganito gusto ko mabilis. Ganito ma.
That's a lot of white on that side. Put on the top.
Lahat
Ikaw,
ang puti,
Christine.
di ba? Ang puti lahat.
Yeah,
Saan? Violet?
yeah.
Lagay mo dito.
Okay.
Tama nga na. Dahil man.
Christine.
Ano ba yun nilagay mo ito? Ha? Saan na nilagay mo? Ay, hindi mo pala tama yun.
Okay. Let's go do your lipstick. Okay? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I just like to put on lipstick on
Here.
this
Ito
one.
muna.
I have to touch her lips? I don't want to touch her lips.
No.
Okay, okay, okay. How do you, hold on. How do you do this? You said like that. Look at the audience. That's her lips, everybody. It's fake lips. Okay, there, that's enough. Look.
Tapos mamaya ayos yung mukha ka ba? Maganda yung ni-makeup ko sa eh.
Okay. This one?
No. Mag-ano ka pa sa akin ito, no? Ito gusto ko. Mag-lipsticks.
No, I want to. Wait, I'm gonna do this.
Dito ka na sa taas. Sa taas.
Huh?
Mamaya, kailangan na mag-friend tayo, diba? Tapos mamaya, papagandahan ka na, tapos hindi kita kukututips. Ha? Para lalagyan lang kita na to, tapos nito, tama na, ha?
Okay. Okay, there. You want Q-tips? Wait, I should get this back. I want to do your please. Can I just do your Q-tips one time?
Here.
Yes. What color?
Pink. Ito ba rin? Ginawa mo ra?
Come on.
Oh.
Sorry.
Ow!
Sorry.
Palakas na palakas, ha? Mamadali ito sa tubig, eh. Diba?
Mm-hmm.
Basta, hindi na.
Never mind. Okay.
Never mind na.
Okay.
Gusto mo mag-cutics?
You.
Ikaw gusto mo
I
gusto
want-
eh. Ha?
I want
Ano?
to do it on you.
Ano? Ano yun? Ano yun?
I want to I want to put this on you.
Sinabi ko nga, lagyan mo ko dito, ayaw mag-ano. Ito, lagyan mo muna kasi dito. Paghawak ko. Yan, diba? Ayan. Lagyan mo yung sa kamay mo, ha?
Give me the wipes.
Later. Ito ganito ang panghawak. Ganito yung pag ganito o yan. Ang later.
Just wait.
Huwag ganyan ka mag-cutics.
Sorry.
Gusto ko kasi pagkaganto. Pataas.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Ayan ang parang ganyan. Ayoko mag-cutics.
Then what did...
Buray mo na lang yan. Pero maganda oh. Diba?
Yeah. Okay. Don't wipe it on me. Okay, go show.
Hindi pa! Hindi pa tapos yung sa baba ko po oh.
Okay, go.
Ang maglalagay niyan.
Sorry.
Gusto mo pa maggawa?
Yes.
Mahirap eh.
No, it's not.
Ang hindi nga, nakapitot pa naman ako eh. Blue.
I know.
Akong baby hair.
You want that song on your iPad?
Laon ka din eh.
No, that song.
Yes.
Okay, hold on.
Kaya may load?
Yeah. And how's
Kahit
it
walang
done?
internet?
No, I need internet.
Sa labas para may internet.
There's nothing. Even outside.
Mahirap. Yung dito ko pa oh, gilid.
Okay, okay.
I
Blue?
want...
Blue?
No. I want yellow. Yellow ba yan?
Oh,
Green yan. Ito yung yellow oh.
sorry. Can't see.
Dito oh.
Okay. Okay.
Lagyan kita ha.
No.
Hindi, dito lang. Yan. Tira mo, Jeline. Yan, tapos dito. Tapos tatanggalin din natin. Wala nang cutics.
Come.
Ano tira mo sa akin, Jeline?
Sorry.
Ma, sino yung ginawa sa akin ni Jeline, no?
Para kang may black eye.
Akin nga tinamo gagawin ko sa
No,
kanya.
no, no. Uh-oh.
Ako maka din ang ganda ko.
Sorry. I'm
Ma,
bad at
kami-
makeup.
Hindi ka marunong mag-makeup. Ganito lang, oh. Diba sinabi ko sa'yo, dito at dito. Sa lips. Hindi. Maglalap. Ay, gusto mo maglaro ng iPad? Dili.
Yeah.
Kumuha ka ng wipes.
Mamaya.
Wipes your face.
Gagamitin ko. Nanay-cupan mo na ka.
Can I eat this? One?
Yes. Give it to, Christine.
Just
No.
one? I want like the orange. You want Christine?
Then, upo.
I ate it. Oh, man. It's not even an hour yet.
Hindi, tara.
Hmm.
Ang gusto mo dito kulay?